making dinner. Specifically doing a cooking challenge. The only trick is that your recipes are missing an ingredient. On this table back here where you found the charcuterie and the cheeses, on one end is the missing ingredient. So your missing ingredient is up there. And decoys. You're going to have 90 minutes to figure out what that missing ingredient is, plug it into your recipe, prep it, cook it, and then we're going to put it all up here on this island to enjoy buffet style. You're going to be judged based on obviously how everything tastes. You're going to be judged on whether you picked the correct missing ingredient. Presentation is a big part of it. Add some flourish, add a story. We're going to monitor how your team interacts. The rules are you have 90 minutes. You ready to go? Well, okay. Whether or not you're ready to go, you're ready to go. All right. That is it. All right. We're going to team 4 talk about what they made, and then we're going to work our way down. Team 3, team 2, team 1. Okay, so team 4, you have the floor is yours.
Although we made all sides, we're not just your side piece.
So you start off at the Forest of Discovery. It's green beans with almonds and a lot of other things that we figured out was not a turnip, but a jicama.
We figured out the J was silent.
Yes.
The J is silent.
And then we move on to our second stop, which is
the sunrise. And the sunrise is a smoked corn, black bean, and avocado chopped salad. But we call it the sunrise because it's the beginning of our journey together, just like the sunrise at the beginning of the day. And
there's more.
It's a dish made of lots of different ingredients, lots of different shapes and sizes. Some might say different parts in your career, different stages from different locations. So our group is represented in this corn salsa thing. And together we're gonna make something amazing.
Yeah! Well, you had the judges until you said this corn salsa.
And then, last but not least, we have a lentil bit more. It's a French lentil with shaved mushrooms and marinated tomato salad.
It's grandma's
been marinating for quite some time. We hope it's still good.
Yeah, it's grandma's recipe.
Yeah, it's grandma's recipe. We brought it today, special for you guys.
Well done, team 4. So team 3.
We all have glasses. Okay, you did well.
Sounds like we maybe had a slightly more difficult challenge than Team 4. I'm told that by the objective masters of the craft. Anyway, would you like to present the first appetizer?
Yeah, so here we have our warm goat cheese stuffed dates, but that's not all. They also have almonds in the middle for a little bit of savory flavor. And then on top we have a little bit of pepper as well as some breadcrumbs for some texture.
So we have a little gem lettuce salad. This actually required very delicate hands because we actually had to wrap the cauliflower in prosciutto. Every single prosciutto on that plate, because we have a vegetarian plate too.
Yes.
So for equal opportunity, everybody can try our stuff.
Last but not least, our dessert required multiple steps and multiple layers. Just as we learned today, there are multiple layers about each person's personality and style. But on the top, you will see the lattice work that we did is the fibers that bring us together as a team over the course of the day.
All right, now let's go back in the oven.
Nice, team.
Team 2.
Team Umami has 3 things for your evening. The first one was made by Mama Fresh and Papa Gata. And we're both eyes. And we realized we're going to change the letter I to impressionist. We have an impressionist pizza for you, which has 3 mystery ingredients in it. Yes. Truly a mystery. What the hell happened? We have no idea. But it is vegetarian for all the non-meat eaters. But the mystery ingredients are garlic, onions, and then we drizzle balsamic vinegar at the very end. We needed help. Okay. And what did I found that balsamic vinegar? So we went to the store, opened one up.
All right, you better hurry up and eat before they super chocolate to the side.
So say while we were in Italy, gathering inspiration from the land, we also happened upon the sea, which was not too far away. We took a little dive in and found some shrimp. The zucchinis followed us there, as well as little piggies, as we did also wrap prosciutto very delicately around our shrimp.
And to finish, I think it kind of speaks for itself as the most perfectly grilled, perfectly sliced flank steak with a nice lime avocado salsa for everybody's enjoyment.
Wow. Wow.
And last but not least, Team 1.
Yes, chefs. Our first dish is an Italian dish. It's orecchiette pasta with braised chicken and porcini. You may know all those ingredients. Rapini and pickled peppers. It's very much a mushroom-based dish, and the shrooms represent the kind of psychedelic journey we're about to embark on. So.
For our next course, I could sit here all day and tell you about the fresh parsley and cilantro, the salt, pepper, and red wine vinegar we use for the chimichurri. I could tell you about the wood that we so nicely painted with a touch of a brush and olive oil to roast this beautiful salmon. I could tell you about how we put the salt and pepper just to taste, just like Salt Bae himself. But we'd be missing the true meaning of this most beautiful dish. Because as we know, we could have cooked a flounder, we could have cooked a trout, and like those fish that take the easy way and swim with the flow, or downstream, no. Like we learned today, things are going to be difficult. We are going to have trying times, but a strong leader will always go upstream. Just like our salmon. So please enjoy our roasted salmon with fresh herb chimichurri, which is gluten-free. Leading us right to our most perfect dessert.
Wow. There's no following that.
The famous French modernist author Marcel Proust once famously said, as we all know, "J'aime bien la Tour Eiffel, et je suis un grand pamplemousse." And when you translate that directly, what it means is there's no pleasure, no gustatory delight quite so sublime as enjoying a mini dark chocolate.
And they said we only had one eye. There's two eyes.
A mini dark chocolate Michigan cherry beggar's purse, which is vegan also. And there's an option without nuts.
Nut-free option.
Again, this is a direct translation. In the proper company. So with that, I think we can all honor Proust in enjoying Team 1's dessert.
All right. That was something. That's great. A couple of observations. The beggar's purse are not vegan. We have got more butter on them than anything here.
It says vegan. It says vegan.
That's vegetarian. All right. Are you ready? Yes. I gotta give it to Team 1. I mean, top to bottom. Yeah.